Hi friends, welcome to another new lecture of Era of Zoology. In this lecture, I will teach you Neo-Darwinism. Before starting this lecture, if you are new to this channel, then subscribe this channel. So let's start. Basically, Neo-Darwinism is a modified form of Darwinism. While Darwin believed that the adaptations result mainly by a single source natural selection, Neo-Darwinians thought that adaptations result from multiple forces and natural selection is only one of these many forces. Okay, so now we will talk about definition. Basically, in the last 25 years, a number of facts has been added to the knowledge of evolution, and natural selection has been reanalyzed in the light of genetics, Mendelism, population genetics, and biological species concept. This is called Neo-Darwinism. Okay, friend. So, according to Neo-Darwinism, origin of species can be explained on the basis of isolation, natural selection, genetic drift, adaptation, genetic variability in the population, variation in the gene pool of population, mutation, origin of new species, heredity. Now we will talk about the characteristic feature of Neo-Darwinism. Basically, this theory explains various factors and mechanism for the appearance of variation in the members of a population. According to Neo-Darwinism, variation may be heritable or germinal and non-heritable or somatic. Only germinal variation are passed on to the next generation. Population are the unit of evolution. Natural selection operates through differential reproduction. And basically the sixth point is actually isolation of a population or species into smaller group is essential for the origin of new species, and role of genetic drift in introduction of variation in the gene pool was emphasized in case of small and isolated population. Okay, friend. So it is actually our today's lecture of Neo-Darwinism. This is actually a note-wise lecture, and I hope this lecture will help you a lot in your course. Okay, friend. Subscribe this channel and like this lecture. Thank you so much.